Down here with the Central Washington Antique Farm Equipment Club, and Timpke donated a lathe to us. So anyway, we're gonna get it all set up so we can turn the crank for the Fairbank Morris that we were working on at the Ag Museum.
This is free, so let's see if it should slide.
This was donated to the Tractor Club by Timpke. I'm going to use it to turn the crank on the Fairbank Morris. This thing is huge.
Got some oddball nut over here.
Two-legged one or the one that's on the...
Yeah, well, we're all a bunch of nuts, that's for sure. Nuts to be sitting and getting this 130-year-old machine going. You recognize that one?
Okay, I want to see.
That's the one we put the bolt in?
No, the bolt's in it. Right there. There's a hole. So we need another servo.
That is to put it in gear. That's neutral. That's one way. That's the other. Feed it. You turn this one.
Today here, all we can do. So we're heading out and maybe come back next week if we get what we need. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great afternoon.